Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. Traditionally, the African population mainly dwelled in the rural areas. But due to the growth of Africa as a continent and Kenya being one of the leading developing countries in Africa, the population has shifted from rural migration to rural-urban migration. And on that note, the migration has given a lot of pressure to the existing real estate industry. Due to that, towns are forced to expand, but expanding our towns outwards is very expensive. So it becomes only logical to expand our towns vertically. Today we are in Kileleshwa, and Kileleshwa is in the larger Westlands locality. Kileleshwa neighbors Lavington on one side and Kilimani on the other side. This locality has a very good access to all the social amenities that you require. This is a 5-bedroom all-en-suite home with a plinth area of 320 square meters. This home goes for 29.99 million. And if that budget is too big for you, there is a 4-bedroom with 265 square meters, and that one is going for 25 million Kenya shillings. From there, you can agree with me that you have been fascinated by the beauty of this living room. And as you can see, it is enormous. Recently, there has been a problem of such developments. Their ceilings are too low. But this developer did the opposite. Considering that I am more than 6 feet tall, this is more than enough. From there, you can agree with me that the attention to detail and quality control have been one of the major drivers of this development. From there, you can see the focal point of this home is here. Most developers tend to give you flat walls and you can do whatever you want to do with them. But this developer has gone an extra step to make sure that he has differentiated this space from the rest of the walls. As you can see from there, the space is big enough to fit a 7-seater couch like this one, and you have an extra space on this other side if you have a bigger family. This home comes with a big, beautiful center light that gives you maximum artificial light for your nights. During the day, you'll get your light from this massive access that gives you an access to the balcony. And it comes with automated blinds. The balcony is massive and it gives you a big space to even hold 2 hammocks. Let's get back inside. On the opposite side, the home comes with a mini library and it is good for your books and your artifacts. Right now, we have a book here called The Sisters of My Heart. It's a good book. You should read it. One thing to remember is that this home is Alexa enabled. Hi Alexa.
I'm having trouble connecting. I'll keep trying.
Now that Alexa is not connecting, I'll show you the dining area. As you can see from there, the space is big enough to fit a 6-seater dining set like this one, and you'll have an extra space for your cabinets. This dining area comes with an opening here that gives you a very good view to the kitchen. The dining area comes with a Christmas tree. Okay, I don't know what that is. And a very good light fixture. Let's see the kitchen. Wow, I'm impressed. For 30 million Kenya shillings, this is a standard kitchen. Though it has been done very well. It comes with upper and lower cabinets. This space has been left for your dish washer. Your cooktop comes standard and it will be fitted here. This is the heat extractor. Next to me, you have a double sink and it is next to the window. I like it that all these homes come with a water filtration equipment. This door will take you to the employee quarters and the laundry area. I'll show you that. Here you have the pantry of this unit, and as you can see from there, it is big enough for all your dry foods. Right now we have some macaroni here and some other dry foods. Let's see the laundry area. As I said, this door leads you to the laundry area and the employee quarters. This is the employee quarters. And before I show you the laundry area, the space comes with a water heating system and its control is here. The laundry area is here, massive space for all your laundry works, and it comes with an industrial sink and a normal sink. One thing that I forgot to mention is that this home can be accessed through two doors. This door that gives you a direct access to the employee quarters and the laundry area, and you have the main door that I showed you earlier. I'll take you back inside. From the kitchen, this long hallway takes you to the bedroom areas. And before we get to the bedroom areas, you have the common washroom that is here. The common washroom is just standard and it comes with a WC and a wash basin. It also comes with a mirror. Here you have the first and the second bedrooms. The third and the fourth and the fifth bedrooms are on the far end. We will start with this one. This room is supposed to act as the first bedroom, the guest bedroom, the study, or the office. Right now, it has been fixed to act as the study or the office. As you can see, it comes equipped with all the things that you require, and its window is here. The room comes equipped with its bathroom on this side and a closet on the opposite side. This bathroom adopts a similar concept to the bathrooms that we'll see in the other bedrooms. The closet is just standard. Let's go to the second bedroom. The second bedroom is slightly bigger than the first one, and it comes with a slightly bigger space for your bed and a slightly bigger bathroom. The bedroom comes with a massive window for maximum natural light. One thing to note is that these grills will not be on the final product. They are just done right now because the project is under construction and for security purposes. The bedroom comes with a small dresser here with some drawers, and on the opposite side you have the closet. The closet is slightly bigger than the one that we saw in the first bedroom. From here we will see the bathroom. At the entrance of the bathroom, you have a vanity setup. On this other side, you have a shower cubicle. The WC is at the center and you have an extra towel holders. Let's go and see the third and the fourth bedrooms. The hallway has been modified for your family photos or your artifacts. The third bedroom is on my left hand side and the primary bedroom is on my far front. This is the fourth bedroom. Let's see the third one. At the entrance of the third bedroom, you have its bathroom, and it comes with a vanity setup here, a WC at the center, and a shower cubicle behind me. The bedroom is a massive space for all your big kids, and it comes with a 5x6 bed and a massive window that directs enough natural light to this space. On the opposite side, you have the closet of this bedroom, and it is slightly smaller than the one that we saw in the second bedroom. The space also comes with a seat where you can sit and tie your shoes just before you attend the business of the day. Let's go and see the fourth bedroom. The fourth bedroom is set different comparing to the others. I think it is targeting your twins. That is if you have a set. But before we see its details, let's see its bathroom. Comparing to all the other three bedrooms, this bedroom comes with the biggest bathroom. And it comes with a shower cubicle, a vanity setup on this side, and a WC on this other side. As I said earlier, this bedroom is different, and it comes with a slightly bigger window. Its closet is on the opposite side. The closet is slightly small, though I think it will be enough for everyone who is sharing this bedroom. On this other side, you have some modeling that magnify the beauty of this bedroom. Let's see the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom is the biggest and it comes with the biggest space for you and your partner. Before I show you anything else, just have a look at this side. It comes with some cabinets for any accessories that you may have, and I can't stop admiring the beauty of this picture. On the opposite side, you have some 2 seats for you and your baby, and here you have your sleeping zone. It is a 6x6 bed, and that will be sufficient for you and your partner. Unless you are very tall, you will need a 7x6 bed. On the far end, you have an access to the balcony, and this balcony will give you a lot of privacy and very good views to Kileleshwa locality. Before I show you the walk-in closet, this is a good description of how a breakfast in bed should look like. The walk-in closet is massive, enough for you and your partner, and it comes very well sectioned. It comes with a dresser which is equipped with a face light. This is the primary bathroom. The primary bathroom comes with a shower cubicle at the entrance. Next to it, you have your WC. But if you check very well, this is not a normal WC. It is an electric water closet that is heated and cooled. Voila! Behind me, you have your bathtub. Next to it, you have a vanity, and above it, you have a smart mirror. That's all for this bathroom. We have come to the end of the tour, and this has been a very long walkthrough. As I said, this home is going for 29.99 million. But if you do not have a mega family, you can take the 4-bedroom, and that one is going for 25 million. If you would want to get in touch with us right now, call the number that is attached in the first comment. Also, make sure you follow us on IG and TikTok. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye and subscribe.